Hello, my name is Donald Greeno. I'm a motion graphic artist, and I've been in this field since 2010. My goals for this course is primarily not only to become a better digital storyteller, but also to be able to learn from others in this class in different fields. Being in the design field is all about how we convey a message, be it digital, print, or artistically, for, to our target audience. Because of this, learning more about digital storytelling will be able to assist me in conveying that message to the audience better. After reviewing after reviewing Outer Ring of the Metaliteracy model, to me each role plays a specific yet important part to digital storytelling, and being able to utilize each one will enable me to identifying who my target audience is and producing a cleaner message. In closing, digital storytelling has taken not only a pivotal role in our society, but it also teaches us how we um, can improve to communicate to each other and provides a more enhanced visual history for our future generations. Thank you very much for watching, and it's nice meeting you.